Hi, Todd's back. We'll look at our forecast and a noticeable dip, if you will, in the temperature this morning. It didn't bother me. I actually felt, I'm like, that's kind of cool. Like, it was crisp and cool. It wasn't like, oh my gosh, it's freezing, quickly turn on the heat.
Right. It's not awful because there really isn't any wind.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, the temp is low, and it's probably the lowest we've seen to date. But without wind, you know, and then when the sun is out, it'll be fine.
At 2:30, it was fairly refreshing, actually, to walk outside and be like, nice deep breath of cold air.
Yeah, there you go.
Now woke me right up.
It'll wake you up. It's like a cup of coffee. Yeah, the temperatures, once again, the 24-hour temperature change map showing a lot of blue on there and negative numbers. That means the slide continues, and I expect that the next couple of days. We'll bottom out Saturday morning. That will be the coldest of this stretch, when a lot of us will be waking up to a temperature right around 20. Wouldn't shock me if we have some overnight lows into Saturday morning in the teens. Right now, Portland is 30 degrees. That's the coldest number of the season. Topsom 26, Gray 25, Buxton 27, Sebago, Rumford, Rangeley in the 20s. Berlin, New Hampshire is almost in the teens right now at 21. Same with Presque Isle at the moment. Up north, it's pretty cold. Dover Foxcroft is 24. We're at 30 in Bangor and Belfast, and also down east Maine's got some frost out there too. If you recall, yesterday morning, temperatures there were above freezing. Not the case today. The storm track is now offshore, and it's going to remain there for the next several days, right on through the weekend, in fact. High pressure is nosing in. It's chilly at first, this air mass, but it will be moderating as we hit the weekend and into early next week. Quiet weather out there this morning, just real chilly. You could probably have to do some scraping of the windshield for sure. We go through the day, we'll have a mix of sunshine and clouds. Toward the end of it, we'll see high clouds work in, which will actually be a benefit to us. Those high clouds will give us some very colorful skies at sunset, which is around 5:30 today. On Sunday afternoon, though, it'll be around 4:30 because we switched the clocks back, if you recall. No precipitation this evening. There will be, however, a quick temperature drop into the 20s again overnight. West winds will be light today. They're your highs, normally 53. Not even close today. About 5 degrees shy of that in Portland. A little bit more for Bangor. A lot more up in Greenville and also in Caribou. Upper 40s for southern Maine, mid 40s for the rest of the state, except in the mountains and north where it's around 40 degrees. This cool, quiet stretch will continue. Again, storm track well offshore, lots of precipitation for the Canadian Maritimes. High pressure keeps us chilly today, tomorrow, into Saturday morning. Then that high will deliver more sunshine over the weekend, which is great. And those temperatures will be moderating as well, which is also nice, back into the 50s. There is going to be a much larger storm forming off the southeastern U.S. And if you recall yesterday, we were talking about the chances for this storm were about 50-50. Well, now they're going lower. Looks like the overall scenario will be farther out to sea. I'll keep this one in here for now, but this storm is likely a miss early next week, which would mean our dry stretch could go over a week after getting drenched, last week by those two storms. Marine forecast seas 2 to 3 feet. Northwest winds light. Water temps still mild, 54 for this time of the year. Sun and clouds out there today with high temperatures in the mid to upper 40s. Similar temperatures tomorrow, but even more sunshine. Looks beautiful. Look, check out your weekend. Saturday will be in the low 50s. Again, sunny. Saturday night, we flip the clocks back an hour. Sunday's bright and a little milder. Highs in the mid 50s. And if that storm is a miss, and right now I'm thinking it is, that means the dry weather pattern continues, and next week will be a little warmer, getting closer to 60 on Tuesday and Wednesday. Still very little, if any, precipitation in that 7-day forecast.
All right, sir. Well done. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.